Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency group Pro Chart. How they're doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. We're looking at AMD. And AMD's not looking too well, folks. Not looking too well. We've been in this downtrend ever since October 9th of last year. October 9th of last year. You can see it in a downtrend. Broke out of the trend here, but gap down, moved sideways for a few days, and then hit the same resistance and came down. And now we're at moving sideways at the Fibonacci. You can see where we broke here, but the zero found support at the Fib. At 127.60 was support, but closed below it the next day. Couldn't hold and fell. And now we're bouncing off. This line here is a 200 EMA, but it's a 1 week. 1 week 200 EMA, so it's a week out. The regular 200 EMA that you guys look for, it's up here. So the regular 200 EMA is up here, showing bearish pressure on AMD. But the key factor, it's bouncing off. It's bouncing off this 200 weekly EMA. So that's positive response that for the last couple of days have been bouncing off the 200 here. We want to see AMD stay above this 200 EMA, the weekly one. This is 1 week out. So the 1 week 200 EMA, we want to see it bouncing. Because last time AMD fell below this 200 weekly EMA was way back here. Way back 2022, September, where it couldn't hold this 200 weekly EMA, came down, found support, made a low at $54, and then that's where it bounced up. Found support, broke through once again the 200 weekly EMA, then finally found support, bounced off, and got over the regular 200 EMA here, 200. And then that's where it started going up. Found support on this red channel, and this was all over with. And you can see $227.30. It reached a new all-time highs. And this was back in March 08, 2024, folks, 2024. But then ever since then, it's been coming down. It's been just coming down. You know, you made the new high here, but then you got the lower high here, then you made another lower high. Then all of a sudden it just starts coming down. It tried to do something here. Positive news came out. Tried to do something, gapped up. Couldn't find support anywhere over here. And found resistance at 168.19. 168.19. Found resistance. And came back down. Broke this support line here at 144. And this is where we lie. So it's sitting on this 200 weekly EMA, which is positive. I'm thinking that AMD might just consolidate here for the rest of the month. Consolidate. I don't think it'll break this support level. I think it'll stay in the support level. Maybe find the upper trend line here, find resistance again, and then come back down. I think the investors are waiting for their earnings report to come out in February. See how their earnings report is. If it's positive earnings report, AMD is going to the moon. If there's any doubt or any suspicion they could be lousy earnings report, we will come back to that when we come back, because we got our low target set right down here for NVIDIA to hit if it does want to come down. But we'll reach that bridge we'll reach that bridge for AMD when the time comes. But right now, it's consolidating in the Fibonacci. Can't break over the 786. If it does break over the Fibonacci 786, then we have this resistance right here, this line here, at 0.5 Fibonacci resistance. So we'll keep a close eye on it, folks. Please hit that like button, folks. Subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. Have a great day.